getting bigger. I guess my nose is really irritated. Bless me. It feels so good though. Yeah, I lost it. Sorry. Hang on. I think it's coming back. That was a big one. Well, I guess that's it. It felt really good.